Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places. Today, we'll be studying a very interesting chapter about two frogs. So, let's just begin with this chapter. So, the title of our chapter is Two Frogs, right? So, do you know that frogs they like to travel the world too? Frogs को भी पूरे वर्ल्ड में घूमना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. So, we'll be reading about these two frogs who set out on an इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी पे दैट इज एक ट्रिप पे ये लोग जाएंगे और हम लोग इनके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. सो वंस देयर लिव टू फ्रॉग्स इन इंडिया. एक बार की बात है कि यहाँ पे क्या रहते थे, दो फ्रॉग्स रहते थे इंडिया में. वन लिव इन द प्लेस दिल्ली. एक कहाँ रहता था, दिल्ली में रहता था. एंड द अदर वन लिव्ड इन अ प्लेस विच इज नोन एज मुंबई. और दूसरा कहाँ रहता था, मुंबई में रहता था, राइट. As we all know, New Delhi is the union territory, whereas the Mumbai is state and it is in west. So, one day the Delhi frog said to his wife, I want to go to Mumbai. एक दिन जो दिल्ली वाला फ्रॉग है उसने अपनी वाइफ को बोला, अपनी स्पाउस को बोला दैट आई वांट टू गो टू मुंबई. मेरे को कहाँ जाना है, मुंबई जाना है. आई हैव हर्ड इट दैट इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल प्लेस. मैंने सुना है कि वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर जगह है. पीपल से दैट इट इज़ फार मोर ब्यूटिफुल देन दिल्ली. और लोग क्या कहते हैं कि ये दिल्ली से ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है, राइट. एंड हिज वाइफ she said, very well, goodbye. You can go to Mumbai. Very well, goodbye. She is paying C off, right? And the same day, the Mumbai frog said to his wife, और उसी दिन ही जो मुंबई वाला फ्रॉग है उसने अपनी वाइफ को क्या बोला, I want to go to Delhi. मुझे कहाँ जाना है, दिल्ली जाना है. And people say that it is a more beautiful place than Mumbai. और लोग बोलते हैं कि मुंबई से ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है, right? And again, his wife said very well, goodbye. His wife also reverted the same that Mumbai frog wife has told ki you can go, very well, you can go, goodbye. So they both started on the same day. On the same day they started a journey to their respective places. The Delhi frog started towards Mumbai and the Mumbai frog started towards Delhi. Now the Delhi frog is moving towards Mumbai, whereas the Mumbai frog is moving towards Delhi. सो देर वॉज अ हाई माउंटेन बिटवीन दिल्ली एंड मुंबई. एक माउंटेन था दिल्ली और मुंबई के बीच में. द टू फ्रॉग्स दे क्लाइम दी माउंटेन्स. और दो जो फ्रॉग्स हैं दे आर क्लाइंबिंग दी माउंटेन्स. नाउ वन कम फ्रॉम द दिल्ली साइड एंड द अदर केम from the Mumbai side and they meet at the top. Now one is coming from the Delhi side while the other is coming from the Mumbai side and they both are meeting at one point that is at the top. Now the frog said, who are you and where do you come from? Now the Delhi frog जो है he is asking कि from where you are and where you have come from. Now the other frog said, I came from Mumbai and I'm going to Delhi. मैं कहाँ से हूँ, मैं मुंबई से हूँ और मेरे को कहाँ जाना है, दिल्ली जाना है. Now people say it is more beautiful than Mumbai. लोग बोलते हैं कि ये मुंबई से ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल है. I want to see Delhi but who are you? मेरे को दिल्ली देखना है लेकिन आप कौन हैं? Now the Delhi frog replied, I live in Delhi. अब दिल्ली वाले फ्रॉग ने रिप्लाई किया that I live in Delhi and I am going to Mumbai. और मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ, मुंबई जा रहा हूँ. People say it is more beautiful than Delhi. और people क्या बोलते हैं कि it is more beautiful than Delhi. दिल्ली से ज़्यादा beautiful है. Now the Mumbai frog said, if you want to see Mumbai, you can see it quite well from here. They are saying actually they are standing at a point that which is at the top, right, which they are meeting at one point. So the Mumbai frog said, if you want to see to Mumbai, you can just stand over here and you can see quite well from here that how Mumbai is. Now the Delhi frog said, you can see Delhi quite well from here too. और तुम यहाँ से दिल्ली देख सकते हो बहुत अच्छे से. So the two frogs they stood up and looked down from the top of the mountain. और top of the mountain से वो लोग अपनी respective जगहों को देख रहे हैं. Delhi frog is just seeing towards Mumbai, whereas the Mumbai frog is seeing towards Delhi. Now then the Mumbai frog said, I thought that Delhi was more beautiful than Mumbai. Now the Delhi frog is saying कि मुझे लगता था कि दिल्ली जो है वो ज़्यादा सुंदर है मुंबई से, right? This more beautiful क्या है? This is a comparative degree of adjective. But it looks the same as Mumbai. But ये बिल्कुल मुंबई जैसा ही दिखता है. So I will not waste my time anymore and I will go back home. और मैं अपना ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं बिताऊंगा यहाँ पे, ज़्यादा वक्त खराब नहीं करूंगा और वापस अपने घर चला जाऊंगा. And the other frog said, I too thought that Mumbai was more beautiful than Delhi. और मुंबई वाला क्या बोल रहा है कि उसको ऐसा लगता है कि मुंबई ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल था, वही मुंबई ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल है दिल्ली से, बट इट लुक्स द सेम एज दिल्ली, बट वो दिल्ली जैसा ही दिखता है. सो आई टू विल नॉट वेस्ट एनी मोर टाइम एंड आई विल गो बैक होम. और मैं भी अपना टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करूंगा और मैं अपने घर वापस चला जाऊंगा. सो दे बोथ वेंट बैक होम. और दोनों के दोनों कहाँ चले गए? अपने घर चले गए. डू यू नो वाई? क्यों चले गए वो लोग? बिकॉज फ्रॉग्स हैव आईज ऑलमोस्ट ऑन द टॉप ऑफ देयर हेड. क्योंकि फ्रॉग्स के पास जो आईज होते हैं, इट इज लोकेटेड एट द टॉप ऑफ देयर हेड. सो द डेली फ्रॉग could only see Delhi from the top of the mountain, right? And the Mumbai frog could only see Mumbai, क्योंकि वो लोग अपने टॉप से देख सकते हैं, तो वो टॉप से वही देख सकते हैं जो उनको दिख रहा है. तो दिल्ली वाला दिल्ली को ही और मुंबई वाला मुंबई को ही देख सकता है. So this basically chapter tells us that frogs, they have their eyes at the top of their heads. That is the reason they can only see what they are shown. Moving on towards the word basket, the first word is very well. Very well means very good, बहुत ही अच्छा. Started means begin, it began. Then the third word is top, that is the uppermost part. And moving next, that is to means also. Moving on to the exercise, first we'll complete the exercises which are oral, where we'll be learning how to pronounce each word correctly. So the first word is frogs, then the second word is beautiful, moving on to the third is place, then comes towards, then next is the mountain, then it's quiet, and then waste, and the last one is almost. Moving on to the correct answers. So the two frogs, they live in where? The two frogs lived in India. The Delhi frog wanted to see Mumbai, whereas the Mumbai frog wanted to see Delhi. The frogs have eye on the top of their heads. The frog asked for permission from their wives. Wife का F हटा के क्या आ गया है? VES आ गया है. And the frog stood and looked down from the top of the mountain. So they both started on the same day. Both the frogs, they meet at the top of the mountain. I heard it is a very dash place. It's a very beautiful place. And his dash said to him goodbye, his wife. Moving on towards the true and false. Delhi looked just as same Mumbai. Just as same Mumbai. They are saying कि Delhi बिल्कुल मुंबई जैसा ही दिखता था. Actually, it's false. Frogs have eyes on the top of their heads. It's true. There was no mountain. This is false. Actually, there was a mountain. And the two frogs, they meet at the foot of the mountain. No, they met at the top of the mountain. Moving on towards the answer, the following question, you will be doing all these question answers in your notebook respectively by your own. So I hope you all like this chapter. This chapter was just a short description that how these two frogs, they like some other places, and basically it teaches us that these two frogs usually have eyes at the top of their heads. That is why there is a reason that they can only see what they are shown. So you just go through this chapter. This is a very quite simple chapter, and I hope you all will be liking it. And please study carefully and stay focused. Thank you.